Hello, I am looking to change my front closet, which consists of sliding door and a coat bar, to open style with drawers on the bottom, a bench and a cabinet on each end. It is roughly 8 inches wide. I have a photo of what I am looking for. I have the tools to build it, but I am not familiar with design and I fear I will waste a bunch of material and money without plans. Let me know what package I should select, and if this is something you can accommodate. Thanks. So in today's video, I'll be converting a client entryway cabinets to shop drawings and cut list so that they can build without wasting any material. So this is the design that they want. It looks very amazing, and this is the design that they currently have. So we'll be making a entryway cabinets that will be fitted in this position. Welcome to Final Millwork Drawings. My name is Joseph and I make shop drawings, cut list, DXL files, CNC files for cabinet shops and also homeowners looking to make their own custom cabinets. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make the 3D model using SketchUp. For now, I'll just fast forward here and let the background music entertain you for the process of adding the dimensions and the rest. I will finally review the final shop drawings and show you the final files that will be sending to the homeowner for this project. So these are the final drawings that will be sending to the homeowner for this case, so that they can build it. In addition to the shop drawings, you also have the CNC files, table also files, or cutting diagrams, layouts. So the CNC or the tables or files will contain all the necessary information, including which sites will require edge bandings and so on. In addition, we will also send them the cut list just in case they want to reference it. And lastly, the rough lumber cut list, that is for the face frames. So that is it for this one. I hope you like it. Give it a like, and I will see you in the next one.